Hi friends, welcome to Tech Tock Tech. So thank you for supporting my channel as well as subscribing my channel. And so many people are sending mail to thanks and as well as their queries. Whenever I'm getting the time, I'm just helping those mails. As also whenever I'm getting the time, I'm just making this video. People who are struggling some of the specific issues. So release a platform. It's enabling one-on-one conversation at the scale. So what are the things it's provide? Let's see. So it's helpful to outbound sales, inbound sales, and account management, and HR recruiting, and so on. So people who are facing issues in related this, so they can use the reply to improve their productivity. And these are the some of the major companies they are trusted. So if you want more detail, you can check out my description link. So today, we will see how to automate the pre-install app in Android OS. So when I say pre-install app, like you can take the Google Play Store app. So today I will show you how to set up and automate the Google Play Store app. So for this, prerequisites will be the appium should install. I'm using the command line appium. I'm not using the GUI. I'm using latest version like A7, I think 1.7.1. Yep. And Android SDK should be installed and Android home path should set. So these are the major prerequisites. So if it is not done, please check out my previous video. The link is below in the description. It will help you to set up the appium, and then following things will be done on this video. So what are those things? Like how to create the maven project and other dependencies, then how to get the Play Store package name and activity name for automation. And there are such some of the scenarios I can help you to do that, like how to search and then how to scroll the specific text. So these are the things I'm going to do in this video. So yeah. Okay, let's start the IntelliJ ID. So I'm going to use IntelliJ ID here for setting up the project. So it's launching. So you can use the community edition for the free version. Yeah. So I'm going to create a new project. So here I'm using Maven. You need to select the Maven project. So let it load all the architecture, Maven architecture. So I'm giving group ID com.test, and the artifact ID will be I'm giving app test, next. So app test is my project name. Finish. So we open the ID. Yes. These are some of the tips. So project got created. So in this project, so these are the Maven architecture folder structure, and this is the main thing like pom.xml where you can do all the dependencies setup. So this is my dependencies, like I am using JUnit and also the appium Java client latest one. So it will ask like import change or enable the auto import. So it will let it import. And let me create the package here. How to create package? Let's go here. Do package name. Now my package name is com.test.apptest. Inside, I'm going to create one more base test. So in this, I'm going to create the base zone test class. So I'm giving app test. Yeah. So that's it. So here what are the things I'm going to create? So one is before test. So I'm before, in the sense I'm going to do the setup. So where APM setup. These are the APM setup. So this is yeah, still it, since it's doing all those dependencies. So fail. Okay, got it. Done. Okay. So before, yeah. So this is a before, and then public void app. I'm doing pre-install app test, right? I'm testing this to be play app. So this is the test. I'm going to use the test annotation for this. So people who are already working in JUnit and TestNG, so they will aware of the what is the annotation. So let me explain about the annotation. Like before is, so whenever you are running this particular app test, it will first execute these before setup test, and then test actual test, and then final is tear down. So here basically tear down will be killing the driver or some other setup you want to clear it. So those things tear down. So this will be after. Yep. So these are the things for in order to run the basic test for before, after, and test actual test. Yes. So now I want to declare a variable appium driver. So let me create the appium driver. Yep. So next, so probably some desired capability setup. Okay, so it will say desired capability. Yeah, I'm going to import that. So desired capability. So it's going to desired capability. It's done. So now, so what are the things I need to set up in the desired capabilities for automated and mobile and Android applications? So what are the things? Let's do desired capability dot set capability. So main thing is first I'll do a platform. So it will give all those things. So it's a platform. So is Android. Okay. So next desired capability is dot platform version. So I'm using, so platform version is 7.0 and 7.0, and desired capability set. So next one is device name. So basically that device name you can give anything. I'm using Moto. Giving Moto. So basically this is the platform, in the sense I need to give the platform name. Sorry, platform name is Android. So that's it. Main thing, in order to run an automation in Android device, you need to specify the platform name, and you need to specify the platform version, and you need to specify the device name. So this is the main thing, and also there are specific things to the Android. So which is our set capability. So it's Android. It's Android mobile capability dot app package name, and then desired capability dot set Android dot set app package. So these are the things. Okay, we'll see later how to get the package name and activity name of the Play Store app, Google Play Store app. So next, so this is a setup for APM. So next, yeah, so main thing is this driver. So driver equal to, it's a new, so I'm using Android, so I'm using Android driver setup. So in this, so what are the things I'm going to use here is like, one is the URL, other one is the capability. Yes, so the URL we can use new URL. So inside we can give basically it's a your APM URL. So localhost, I think it's a 0.0.0.0 colon. It's I am running on 47234. Comma and then caps. Sorry, this is it. So it might give an error, so you need to give add a try catch or add exception. Nothing. That's it. So these are the things. So finally, after, so you need to kill the driver if the driver is not equal to null. So let me do driver is not equal to null, then only need to kill the driver. Yes, done. So why I'm giving on step by step, because people are facing a lot of issue when they are setting the project itself. So that's why I'm giving one by one setup, how to set up the project right from scratch. So this is a base before setup and then after setup. So now we will go to the actual test. So before going to the test, so I need to get the activity name, package name and activity name. Let's see how I can get the package name and the activity name. Yes. So for that I'll going to do droid screen. Just want to mirror the screen, so it will help you to mirror your Android device. Yes. Resize the screen. Yeah. So size is small. So here I want to get the activity name and package. Get the activity name and package name. Yeah. So how do I get that? Like, so there is a command. You can run the ADB command when the app is running on foreground. It will give the current activity as well as the package name, both. So in this case, I'm just opening the command where I can, yeah. So this is the command. It will give the current window, focused window of that screen as well as the activity name. Yeah. So let me run it. So in this case, I will be in the main home screen. So let me run this. Okay, it will give this is the package name of the whichever app is current. So because it's a launcher screen, so it's giving the launcher screen of package name of that app, and then which is the activity name. Yes. So now I'm going to launch Play Store app. Yeah. So now let's launch the Play Store app. Okay. So let me get uh, the current activity name. I also package. Copy this, paste it here, get that. Yes. So this is the com.android.vending is the package name of the Play Store, Google Play Store, and the current activity, that is a main activity. So I'm going to copy this whole thing, copy and go to that into the JID. Yes. So here I'll be paste. So I'll be pasting here only the package name. I will going to take the activity name, put it down. Yes. So anything else? Yeah, that's it. So platform name, platform version, device name, app package, and then app activity, and the desired capability. Yeah, URL. Okay. So URL I need to put WebDriver WD /hub. That's it. Yes. So now, so you got the, so for pre-install you don't need any APK file because it was already pre-installed. So you need to give the package name and the activity name. That's it. So let me run the apm. Let's see. So basically it's saying there are some other code it's running already. So if you are facing such kind of issue, so what you can do directly, if you no other node is running, like node application is not running, you can do kill all -9 nodes. So it will kill all the node process, then you can run one. So let it run. Yeah, so it started. So now I'm on to launch the application, right? So launch in the sense I'll just run the application. Let's see what it's showing. So basically I'm also debugging like how the pre-install app works. So let me run it. Yes, it's running. Check the apm logs and also the device script. See the device. So it's building. Is done. Now it started the process. Yes. So my machine is slow, so it's taking time to build the project. So let's test. Google Play app is started. Probably now it will start the before setup. So now it started. You can see here the app package name and app activity name. It started, platform name, all those device name. Cool. So it's asking all the permission. So apm setting is launched. Now, yep. Okay, so just launched, and then since I didn't give the any time, so basically I need to give some sleep for its opening actual application or what. So I'm just running 1 second. Let's see. So right now what's happening, it's just popping up and closed. So since before loading the Play Store app itself, just closed. So let me run and let's see once again. So what's happening. So compile is done. The same way you can get the other package name, other pre-installed package name also. So like Chrome and contact, photo, camera, message, everything you can get the current package name. So there are some of the issues will be facing. So that depends on what issue you are facing, that we can resolve that. Let's wait for this. Yeah. Okay, it's launched. Okay, so I should not see this pop-up. So because what basically is trying to do, it's launching from the scratch. So in my test, I don't want to launch from scratch. Basically, scratch in the sense it's clearing data, and it's kind of you are launching a new application, right? So in this case, I don't want to do that. So what I'm going to do, so if you want to don't show the pop-up, you just, our intention is I need to go to the Play Store app and then click the search and try search some app and then scroll the app, something like that. So I don't want to do these things. So in this case, what I can do, so I can do no reset. So there is an option called no reset. I can do desired capability dot set capability. So mobile capability dot no reset. Yeah. So this is a boolean value. You can give true. So when you give a true, it won't clear data. It won't go to the very initial state of the app. Whatever the app you are saying, it will launch there itself. Yeah. So let's see. So I gave this option. So let me run it once again and we'll see. Run this app. Go to the console. Yeah. Compile. Yeah, it's compiled. Started. Files. Ideally now it should not show the pop-up. Instead of that, it should landed on the home screen. So basically, home screen is that means. Yeah. Cool. So now we landed up with the main screen. So that's it. So with this setup, so you are able to launch the Play Store app without any going to the initial state of the app, like it's clearing the data and again it will ask the account to accept and all. So there is no reason. Yes. So now we can write the actual test case which I mentioned here. Like, so this one is done and this one also done. It's basically package name and activity. Yes, it's also done. This I need to do. How to search that, how to scroll that. Yeah. Now we'll write the actual test case. So as I said, so now I need to start this, like search that. Okay, so in order to search, I need to write some sort of script which I want to get the search or scroll. Let's start with scroll first. Okay, so because most of the people they are struggling on scroll, so let's do the scroll first. So here how to scroll to specific text. Okay, so in this I'm going to create one mobile element. So this will scroll to text. Mobile element. So this has find. So in the here we need to add find element. So then mobile by dot and divider script. So so this will be helpful for exact text, to how to scroll the exact text. So in this I'll tell you how to do that. So I have some previous script. I can just copy that. So this is that. You just copy this. Okay. So this is the thing. So app name, basically I'll going to declare one of the app name. So which app I need to scroll. Okay. So let me open my device. So in this I'm going to go to the Play Store. Yeah. So here I want to scroll yep, I need to scroll to here. Then I'm going to get the cooking joy super. So for that I need to get this text. So in this I'm using UI Automata. So there is one UI Automatas tool which is come with Android Studio. So Android package, I'm using that to get the text. Launch. Okay, so let me capture the UI uh, things. Let's obtain the screenshot. Okay. So here I need to click on this. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this text, this. I'm going to use this. Okay, not this. Let me cancel this. Let me reconnect it. Okay, let me take this. Okay, so this is the text which I want to pass inside. So this is the, so whenever you are using this UI automata script, so basically UI scrollable, so make sure that your current screen should have the UI scroll. Basically scroll in the sense, like here you see the recycler viewer, so that has the scroll functionality. So how you need to ensure that it has scroll functionality, you can check here scrollable equal to true. So if you have that, so this also has a scrollable and this also has a scrollable too. So which means, so you in your, even for drawable, not this, I think, yeah, this view pager also has scroll supported. So whenever you try to execute such query, you need to make sure that at least one the page outer container should have the scroll view, so that it will scroll wherever you want to specific text. Okay, so let's run this and check it's scrolling to the text. So basically after that scroll, so I want to click on the text. Okay, yes, then I need to thread the sleep. I put for the size, so that I will come to know it's scrolling, and then wait, and it clicking, then it go to that page. Yes. So let me check the appium is running. Yeah, it's running. Let me run this. It's compiling it. Let it compile. It's compiled. So now it will start the script. You can see this. So no need of this terminal. Yes, and then I need to show the device. Yeah. Okay. Now it will scroll. Okay, cool. It's open. Awesome. So now it passed. Cool. So let me, now after that, so what I need to do, I need to ensure that it just scrolled and it went to that page. Now I need to ensure that the page title should show that, right? So what I'm going to do, so after clicking that page, it's going to that the product, like basically that app detail page. So in this page I need to ensure that whichever I am clicking the app name, that should be there in the title of the app. Okay, so for this I'll do assertion, assert dot assert true. So app dot uh, equals. So here I need to declare one more mobile element. So for that app title, I hope that, yes, let's scroll. Maybe coming here, yes. I need to get the yes, I need to take the screenshot in order to get the which ID is that. Okay, got it. So this is that the text. So I will be getting this ID. So what I'm going to do, so here mobile element. So I'll do driver dot find element by ID, by ID. So inside I'm passing, yeah, fine. So it should be a mobile element. Let's change it, mobile element. So this is the app title. I'll put app title. So this should typecast is done. So this app title should, so app name, whichever I'm giving a app name, then I need to the same app name should be there in the app title. Dot get text dot trim. Yes, cool. So this line is doing how to not this line. So this line will be verifying the screen, verify the uh, app detail page. Okay, yeah. So yeah, let me run it once again. Run. It's compiled. Okay, I'm sure that, yeah, started. Launching the app. Yep, it's launched and it's clicked and it's verified. 2. Cool. Yeah. So it's verified the detail page and then it's scrolled. So basically it's not scrolled. Okay, let me try different app. Since it's not it came before, let me try different app. I'll do one thing. Let me open different, yeah, I'll scroll down. Okay, I'll open Amazon now. Okay, now I open the Amazon now. Let me try that. Take a screenshot. I don't want to open that. Let me open the other one, which no. Amazon, now I can take, yeah. So this is that. So I'm taking this, I'm changing with this text. Just you can change simply with the text. That's it. So I'm just given one more. So without scroll also it's working. Since the app is came to the top, so that's why it's not scrolled. So now if I'm using the Amazon grocery shop. So if I run this, it should scroll down and will go to that screen and will verify this. Right there. Run this. Okay. The script. Just compilation finished. Now appium script will start. Okay. It's launched. Now it should scroll. Awesome. Scrolled and it's clicked. Awesome. Let's open the Amazon grocery now. Yes. And it's verified. Awesome. So now, so what I'm going to do, so now this one is done. Yes. So other one was also how to scroll to the specific element also. So one is the text, other one is the element. So let's do this. So now I want to click back. So driver dot navigate dot click back. So it will go back. Now I want to click the I want to search the app. Okay, so let me get those IDs. So I want to get the this ID first. I want to click that. So in order to get that, I need to open this. Yeah, this is the ID. So I need to get this. So this one. Let me get. Yeah. So this is the ID. And to get this. So after clicking back, mobile element, search bar icon equal to find ID ID. Yes, and just click that. So you need to typecast it. Yes. Search icon dot click. Yes. So now it got clicked. Okay. So next, so it's clicking the. Now it's clicking the search bar icon. Next, I need to send the text. So after clicking, it will show the edit text. So I need to get the edit text. Okay. So this is the edit text. I'm getting this edit text. So again, I'll be creating a more mobile element. So edit text. So mobile element driver dot find element find by element id. Yes, it's done. So now I need to edit text dot send key. So send key will be the app name which I declare above. Then so after this, so for example, I can enter the same Amazon, like enter Amazon now. Yeah, so here there is Amazon now is there, Amazon now grocery, and there are Amazon now grocery is there. So in this case I need to take the UI dump. From there I need to ensure I need to click the exact text which has that. So I'll tell you how to do that. Okay, so in this case this is on, right? So let me open this. Okay, take it one more time. Okay, now got it. So this is that search bar. So now again the search bar. Yeah, so this is the recycler view. Yeah, so under the recycler view there is a relative layer. So in this I'm going to take the specific text. Yeah, so this is the suggested text. So what I'm going to do, I'll make a list of mobile element. So list of mobile element. So this is a list of suggested results. So and this driver dot find elements by id. This, yep. So here what I'm going to do, I'll put a for loop. In this for loop I'll make one more element, um, element that list of suggested results. In this case I'm going to if loop, another if loop. I use an element dot get text dot trim. Okay. Here, so what is that? I need to get the app name dot equal. So inside I'm passing the text. So if suppose, so I want to ensure that if exact same that text which is I'm getting from the mobile element, then click that specific mobile element. Use element dot click. Then I need to break it. Okay. So after this, same thing I want to do. So it will go to the detail page of the app. So I'll declare this app title as a global so that I can access images. The same thing I need to copy paste here. That's it. Okay, let me run this. Open. Yep. So I used this suggested text so that it's easy to predict like which app name you are passing here. The same name should be contain the list of element. If it is contain any one of the element, so it will be going inside if loop and click it, then it break it. It won't go to the next iteration. Open that. Yep. Also the, yeah. launched, running. Okay, it started the appium setting. Okay, so now it's waiting for the Play Store should launch. As it's launching, it's launched. Okay, so now it will scroll. It scrolled and clicked yes and come back. So what is the issue? Let's see the issue. So basically, you click this, you go to here. Okay, so the problem was it's not showing the search bar. So now how tackle this? So basically, so in this appium log, it says there are no element found. Okay, so now after clicking back, so that search bar is not showing. Since it's scrolled up, so it's not showing that search bar. So how we can tackle this? Okay, let me do one thing. So instead of doing like this, I'll do scroll to that element. So as I mentioned here, one more step, scroll to the specific element. So I'm going to do this using the same script which I am using here. This is one of the scroll script. So in this case, I don't want to do this. So what I'm going to do, I'll do one thing. I'll copy paste here. Scroll to element. Scroll to element. So in this case, I'm going to remove this. So it has the description. Okay, let me take a screenshot of UI dump with this. Yes, I'll take a UI dump. First. How I can use that. Yeah, so this is that. Okay, okay. It has this content description. So I'm going to use this content description. How I'll use, so here I'm copy pasting this. I'm going to remove the app name. Instead of that, I'm going to use the search. So here description. So everything is done. So this is the final step I'm going to run. So this time should work as expected. So once everything is working fine, I'm going to push the code to GitHub. So people, those who wants to explore or how to automate the Play Store application or pre-installed application using this setup. This way you can do that. And also some of the core things like people who are facing the issue currently, scroll to the text and scroll to the element. So all those things, this script will help you to do that. So I put a very linear case, so that people will understand the main core things, so that they can implement what they want, how they want, like page object model or on different type of frameworks, what they are working currently. Just I wrote in a linear, not a framework, just linear thing. Last, okay, let's open, scroll, go to Amazon, click and verified, and click back and scroll up, scroll down, and entering the Amazon grocery. Yes, and we got that. And it's open. Yes, it's done. Awesome. So in this, whatever I mentioned in that list of things, what I'm going to do, like created maven project is done, and Play Store package name, activity name, how to get is done, and search app is also done. Scroll to the text also done. Scroll to the specific element also done. So yeah, this is the thing. So after this, I'm going to push this code to the GitHub. So I'll mention those link also in the description. So you can clone the code and you can do whatever you want. So yeah, finally this is done today for this. So please subscribe my channel. Please comment below. So which app I want to automate, like pre-install like Chrome or other photo, camera, anything else. So yeah, that's it for today. Enjoy. Thanks. Thank you so much. Bye.